Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong, hakalai terik mentau benai nailar arajar kat kendai, kala pun ke Burom ya ka kenhun ruai jongki kena, ka KC Light Square, halor ka jingjob jongki haka jingkop ruai, Kapa kila lek mi khmat ikari India kabala tep kum ka 8 Bali International Choir Festival kabala long hagari Indonesia. Haswa ka jemput ke Burom ka Kiddies Corner kala pelong ya ka jingye ya patba balai shementari khana skol ringkat kiriam tenrai ban penpau seperti ya kiriti rooster jong khasi khara padru pan ai khublei ki patba jong Jylla halor ketika Burom ka bagi Wanrah ya kabala sedang nak office jong ka ni ka skol ter Syadu ke surok ba laim kra syadhan kiti bat penkot pat ha phalau jong kani ke skol ka KC Light Square kare ka kunhun ruai ka lai lam du ba Brian walang ubadairu headmaster jong ni skol ha ka ba ha ka te jing ko ruai ka bala long ha ka ap santrek jong panai beladam kani ka kunhun ka lai shementa ha ki artli kirdani ko ruai ba kenthop ya ka teenage kategori ha ka ba ha ka folk kategori kani ka kunhun ka la khori ka takmak ser kat ba ha ka teenage kategori kalayo ban khori ka takma rupa ka KC Lights men house nem beladam kala lek ru ban mi khmat ke India sha ka rinsani ko ruai bela tep kum ka Grand Prix International Choir Festival ka bala long hagri Thailand bat ha ka te je ko kani ka kunhun kalayo khori ya atli ki takmak ser bat yo ra ru ya kanam overall champion nalor ki bor penia jo skol lawan ban ai ru ya ka jingput ko Burom nakaliang ki kimi ki pa ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKGGP, ka Khasi Students Union KSU, bat ka United Hinyo Trap Movement UHM. Haba a jingkran hangani gasngi nakaliang ba walang ula penpau ka jing ai khublei ya ki pat ba ki bala ai ka jing kersana ngani kunhun bat kadawru ba ka jing em ni khna kam de ban kot tahi kisau kun ro jong ka kamra kelas bat ka jing yo ale ishimenta jong ki syakate keren sani ko ruai kalong ka jing khu ko bakhrau bat ka ek ba kilayo mat na kate keren sani ko on om syam satya hakikot pulie bat kum taw la kerpat rui ka sorka Jylla ban ai men sip ni ban kentup lang ya kaput katem karwai ka siau ha ka puli ka puthi khnang banirap pensandur khnang banirap penwandur ya kisap ki phong jong ki khana
It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It's easy if you try. Nothing to kill or die for. No religion Imagine all the people. Imagine all us living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one. Imagine all possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of men. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness there inside you makes you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow. Da 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 da. Show me a smile then, and don't be unhappy. Can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy, taking all you can bear, don't you know you can call me up? Oh, because you know I'll be there, and I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. Your true colors are beautiful like a rainbow.
Asani majudara ya
Oh Ai kami kajing kerku kerja Bangin yoke ya usok kajing jo Batya tu ai kami kajing kerja Bangin yoke ya usok kajing jo Batya tu ai kami
How sweet
fantastic if we start off with schools in Shillong, then colleges, and then have it a Northeast competition, then let it grow. Because I think music education is very, very important. It does help, there's no doubt about it, does help young people to learn better. It does help us. And then traveling, what they'll experience in travel, where they learned how to change money, and how to use their money, they learned independence. I thought money part of it was a part of economics, which they're learning in school. They learn geography by looking at the different cities that we travel to, the capitals of those countries. They learn geography, they learn science. All subjects which they would never get in a textbook. That's why I always encourage our parents, let them, if they get a chance to go out, even if it's during class, it doesn't really matter, because what they're learning there, they're learning much more there than they would learn in a classroom. When they come back, we can work with them. We can help them to do better for their exams which happen. Because generally our exams are 3 hours, and I feel it unfair judging a child in 3 hours when they're studying for 10 years, right from class nursery to sometimes 13 years, and then they do the matric, and 3 hours you're judging them on their performance. I think that's just academics, it's not a total child, and I think we should be testing them on their totality. Because I feel no one really gives marks to a child who helps children who are poor, who helps an animal on the road. No one gives them credit for that, and I think that also is very, very important, because education is about an overall development in children, and we need that. We really need that. And I just pray and I hope that one day our state will realize, the policymakers will realize that, and support every child in every sphere, not only selective where. Because now they've introduced vocational subjects in the school, but we're not allowed to have it because we're not a government school, and that's very unfair. They said they've chosen 10 schools and that's it. And I want to be a part of it, because they have tourism, they have many other interesting subjects, but they say, no, you're not a government school, so we cannot have it. And I think when it's in the syllabus, I think everyone should be able to take this out, to introduce the subjects in school. And I feel sad, because I want my children to really love life. I want them to love learning, not studying, love learning, because learning helps them a great deal. And studies is just about books, but that will happen if the child is happy coming to school. So for that, I really need everyone's prayers and everyone's blessings, because there's so much we can do with young people today. And people talk about drugs, what's happening around. It's because children are idle, they're not being kept active, they're not being made to love doing things in school. So they go home at 3 o'clock, from 3 to 5, parents aren't there. What are they supposed to do? So for me, I'm staying here in school till 5, because I know children love playing here. And I tell parents, better to let them be here, at least I can take care of them. So at 5 o'clock you can pick them and take them home. Because for many of them it's school, tuition back home, dinner, study and sleep. And they don't have a life, they don't have time to have a family, like a family time. Sundays too, and I tell children about that. Why don't you eat a meal together? Many of them say, my father will be busy, mother will be busy. And I think we need to sacrifice at least an hour or so for our children. Make them feel that, we need this family time together. Phones have taken away a lot of it. When we were in Bali, we realized that even here amongst ourselves, when you're eating a meal, everyone's on the phone. So that I said, no, we can't do that. When you're sitting at a meal, we need to converse. We need to get to know each other, we need to socialize, because that helps us a great deal. So I just need everyone's prayers and support to help me to do what I'm trying to do. And even for other people who are wanting to do the same thing, I think we need to pray for them and hope that things get better in the future.